Whether for crunchy leaves or thick, loamy soil, a rake can handle a hefty volume when it comes to cleaning up garden debris or spreading out fill material. Yet with all the garden and landscaping tools available, it might be hard to determine which rake is best for the job at hand. Though garden tools are continuously improving, unique options such as the Hula Hoe or the Ergieshevel BWRK16 model are great examples of innovation in garden tools. Sometimes, going back to the basics for tasks such as raking leaves or leveling soil is in order. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best bow rakes. Let's get started. Number 5. True Temper 2,811,600 Bow Rake. If you are searching for a bow rakes, the True Temper 2,811,600 Bow Rake review on our list is ideal for you. If you're looking for a bow rake that you can entirely rely on, go for this True Temper bow rake. It's constructed with 100% of steel, formed and shaped in the US. Its handle is 57-inch, made of hardwood for durability and strength. The cushion end grip gives you comfort as you work. This bow rake is designed to loosen and level your soil quickly. Periodic use of this bow rake on your lawn allows water and oxygen to penetrate, giving you that healthy garden and lawn you dream of. The 16 steel tines of this bow rake help in breaking hard soil, mulching, and ensuring even distribution of soil. It's the best bow rake for those with smaller landscaping. Number 4. Ames 2,915,100 Adjustable Thatch Rake. If you're looking for a versatile bow rake, then this Ames Company's 2,915,100 bow rake is your best option. It's multi-purpose and can be used to clean thatch, weeds and even leaves. The Ames Company's 2,915,100 is designed with 15-inch rake head that's self-cleaning. The self-cleaning rake head makes it stand out among other rakes, as it'll allow you to save on cleaning time. The Ames Company's 2,915,100 is curved tines that are specifically designed to allow clearing off of dead clipping grasses. This bow rake gives you an opportunity of keeping your lawn clean and healthier at all times. In addition, it has a hardwood handle that makes it very durable. The only problem with this bow rake is it's a bit heavy. Number 3. Bully Tools 92309 Bow Rake. Bully 92309 bow rake is a beneficial tool that will help you till your ground and keep it free from dirt. You can use this bow rake to handle your garden work regularly. It's designed with 10 gauges of steel that makes it tough to handle raking up of dirt clumps, sticks and rocks. The Bully 92309 bow rake is made of heavy-duty steel that makes it durable. The head and handle of this bow rake are connected with welds that make the connection stable. The welds prevent the head and handle from separating. Its handle is made from fiberglass that is breakage resistant and lightweight. Number 2. Mia Garden Rake. This bow rake from Mia is perfect for combing through soil, mixing in treatments and fertilizers, and leveling out uneven patches. Each of the 14 curved tines is also sharp enough to cut through areas that may be packed harder together, though it's not the top choice for heavy-duty tasks. The extendable and retractable handle also make it appealing to consumers who may need something shorter. Been using this rake to help clear heavily overgrown wooded areas covered with vines, noted a reviewer. The extra length and strong tines have been a great help. Another customer added, "I love how the length is adjustable, since I'm over 6 feet tall, yet my fiancé is just over 5 feet, the whole thing is very sturdy and works well in our big yard." Number 1. Ergieshevel BWRK16 Bow Rake. Are you looking for a unique tool for your garden? If so, buy the Ergieshevel BWRK16 rake. It's designed with innovative features that make it your favorite tool. The bow rake is constructed with an extra handle that protects you from straining during work. The additional handle allows you to work for longer hours without getting tired. The Ergieshevel BWRK16 is D-shaped, giving you better control over it. Unlike other bow rakes, it has 16 quality tines that allow you to rake debris and stones without the fear of breaking it. This bow rake can easily be disassembled after use for easy storage. The ability to disassembly and lightweight makes it easy to transport. Its 54-inch handle makes it suitable for many statures.